Alright, but replace the fuel lines, the pressure and the feed lines from the engine to the gas tank. And it was quite a job. It starts up here. And you can see I staggered the fittings, the compression fittings. There's one, there's the other one. It makes it work easier. Then the lines go behind the air compressor. There. And they go into the stainless steel flex lines that basically run halfway back to on the frame. It just made life easier rather than putting a permanent line through the frame near the engine. It's just easier to run the flex lines to the. It's about 10, almost 8 to 10 feet of line. And that was expensive, but it was worth it because it was a lot of trouble. Anyway, that's that part. Here's where the flex lines come through the frame, pointing aft now. And the lines come this way. Up to there. And this is where they exit, headed back in the frame. And then, so like I said, I avoided running those permanent lines through the frame. And they run this way. There. I'll put a little rubber boot in there, feed through the lines that feed through, so they don't rub. Bit of an overkill, but got some clamps. Keep going back. This is where the permanent lines come in. Filter, and they go up to this way. Back on the right side. Here's where they run back and make the turn towards the center of the axle. Right there was a particularly hard place to put that in. And it runs back this way. Continuing back, and this is my other compression fitting connection. I staggered the fittings again. And this is where the lines go up over the axle. It goes into that plate that bolts into a bracket behind the axle. And the lines go over. And that's the bracket on top of the axle. There's all the lines hooked to the tank. Wasn't too bad. And the new gas tank. time ago. Here's that emergency brake locking clip that I made. That baby ain't going anywhere. It was a pain in the ass. I actually installed new emergency brake cables all the way back. Pain. Anyway, that's it. It's a pain in the ass to do. The fuel lines. And gotta check it out yet. Yeah, there it is. Oh boy. This car's been in here a while. It's a beautiful machine. Gotta love it. I figure it's got at least two more years left in it. All the junk left on it. Yeah, it's been in here way too long. So soon to rumble. All right. Yes, sir.